Welcome to a world of scientific discovery, where ideas are nurtured within the walls of our state-of-the-art laboratory. Step inside and immerse yourself in a symphony of cutting-edge equipment, brilliant minds, and endless possibilities. Here, curiosity is our guiding light, fueling the pursuit of knowledge and the quest for innovative solutions. Whether you are a seasoned researcher or a budding scientist, our laboratory is a haven for exploration, experimentation, and pushing the boundaries of what is known. Join us as we unravel mysteries, unlock new frontiers, and transform our collective understanding of the world we inhabit. Autoclaves use steam heat to kill any microbial life that may be present on a contaminated load and typically yield a temperature of about 121 degrees Celsius, taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete the sterilization process. A laboratory incubator is a heated, insulated box used to grow and maintain microbiological or cell cultures. The laboratory incubator maintains optimal temperature, humidity, and gaseous content of the atmosphere inside. Liquids are contained in Erlenmeyer flasks, which are also utilized for other liquid handling procedures, such as mixing, heating, cooling, incubating, filtering, and storing. Their narrow necks and slanted sides make it possible to swirl the contents without worrying about spills, which is helpful for boiling liquids and titrations. They are used as distillation receiving containers to hold different layers in an extraction, as reaction flasks, to heat solvent for crystallizations, as the crystallization flask, as an ice bath, etc. Graduated cylinders are transparent measuring tool that is uniformly cylindrical and measures volume of various liquid or solids with horizontal ml markings. An alcohol burner or spirit lamp is a piece of laboratory equipment used to produce an open flame. Snuffer covers should be used to extinguish the lamp after use. When the snuffer is not in use, keep the cover on. This cover is loose-fitting and intended only to extinguish the flame. To ensure the longevity of Petri dishes, it is recommended to store them in environments that are under control. This usually entails keeping them in a refrigerator or other specifically designed storage cabinet, or somewhere cool, dry and dark. Test tubes placed upside down help to dry faster and reduce particulate matter and other airborne pollutants from building up. Forceps are a useful tool for handling samples that should not be touched or are too small to handle manually, for objects that are fragile or scratch easily. Cotton and plastic sticks are tightly entangled, allowing everyone to feel at ease during use, and it is used to take microbial cultures. They are swabbed onto or into the infected area, then wiped across the culture medium such as an agar plate. Wire gauze is an essential piece of supporting equipment in a laboratory, as glassware cannot be heated directly with the flame of a Bunsen burner and requires wire gauze to diffuse the heat, helping protect the glassware. A straightforward instrument known as an inoculation loop is primarily used by microbiologists to remove and transfer an inoculum or small sample of microorganisms from a microbial culture for purposes such as streaking on a culture plate. A stirring rod is used for mixing liquids or solids and liquid. To store a certain volume of liquid or powder, test tubes are stacked vertically with the closed end at the bottom and the open end at the top. The tubes are kept upright in the labs thanks to specialized racks called test tube racks. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. When carrying your microscope from one location to another, do not pick it up by holding onto the stage or the eyepieces. Place one hand on the bottom of the microscope and use the back arm of the microscope for carrying it. A hot plate is a laboratory device used to heat samples, solutions, and materials uniformly without the danger associated with the open flame at precise temperatures. Analytical balancers are an extremely accurate laboratory balance created to precisely measure the mass of an object.